Alright guys, everything that you can do with regular numbers, you can also do with fractions. In case you thought you were going to get off the hook and not have to use fractions, obviously that's not true. So, what we need to think about is just still like a continuous number line of numbers, but now we have fractions. So you could have 0 thirds, right? You could have 0 of them, or you could have 1, or 2 thirds, or 3 or 4 thirds, or 5 thirds, or 6 thirds. And you can have negative 1 third, negative 2 thirds, negative 3 of those thirds, right? Negative 4, negative 5, negative 6 thirds, negative 7, negative 8 thirds. It doesn't matter. So you can have like negative thirds and you can have positive thirds. And all we have to do is count them, yeah? So if we start up here at 2 thirds and we want to subtract 4 thirds, that means we need to go down, right? Subtract would go down. So we would count down 1, 2, 3, 4 thirds down, and we would end up down here at negative 2 thirds. Yeah? Let's do another one. If we start up here at 3 fourths, then we want to subtract 8 fourths. Okay? Again, we have, 3 fourths, 2 fourths, 1 fourth, 0 fourths, negative 1 fourth. It keeps going. We're just counting, right? 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. That's how it goes. So, we're just going to count 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 downwards. And we know we need to get more negative. And so, we end up here at negative 5 fourths. Right? Last one, we can also go up if we are adding. If we start down here at negative 8 sevenths, and we want to add 5 sevenths, then we're going to count up 5. Right? So, negative 8, then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we end up here at negative 3 sevenths, right? The key idea here is that it still is just counting. It's still just moving up and down on a number line. If you have, this many and you need to go up that many, then you just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, there you go. As these numbers get bigger, you'll start to, develop other things. But this is the idea for now. Let's take it and let's crush the next question.